Number 1. What's this? Tick tack, tick tack, tick tack. Yes, chicken, chick, chicken, chick, chick, chicken, chick, chicken, chick, chick, chicken. Number 2. What's this? Tick tack, tick tack, tick tack, tick tack. Yes, ka, ka, cow, cow, cow. Ka, ka, cow, cow, cow. Okay, bye bye chicken. Bye bye cow. Hello chicken. Hello cow. Okay class, prepare pencil, pencil, rubber, crayons, crayons. Okay, memory, remember the music? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a... Yes, cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. So now, a pencil, and moo, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Moo. Moo. And color. Now, chicken. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O, with a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And now pencil, 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 with a cluck cluck here. Cluck, 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 with a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck here. Here a the cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And chicken, colors, red and orange or brown.
Red crayon, red crayon. Here, not here, here. Red, red, red and brown. Oh, yeah, brown or orange. Orange. I like orange. Orange, orange, orange.
And let me see. Oh, super important. Don't forget the beak. What color? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. I think orange. orange. Orange or brown? Okay, fantastic. I am finished. I am finished. Oh, no. Organize. Crayons in order. Pencils in order. Rubber in order. Now is your turn. Is your turn.